চলো আজকে শুরু করছি। আজকের টপিক হচ্ছে আমার লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশনস ইন টু ভেরিয়েবলসের মোস্ট এক্সপেক্টেড কোয়েশ্চেন। আর এই কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো যদি কভার করতে পারো তাহলে অন্য কোনো আর কোয়েশ্চেন করার দরকার হবে না। এগুলো করে চলে গেলেই তোমরা 90 আপ পেয়ে যাবে। ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন কি বলছে, ফাইন্ড দ্য ভ্যালু অফ কে ফর হুইচ দ্য ফলোয়িং ইকুয়েশন হ্যাভস ইনফাইনাইটলি মেনি সলিউশনস। ইনফাইনাইটলি মেনি সলিউশনস তার মানে এখানে কি বলেছে, given equations বলে 2x plus 3y equal to 7 আর সেকেন্ড ইকুয়েশন কি বলেছে, k plus 1x plus 2k minus 1y equals to 4k plus 1। তাহলে এখান থেকে আমি বলে দিতে পারবো a1 হচ্ছে 2, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2, b1 হচ্ছে 3, c1 হচ্ছে -7। এটা -7 কী করে হলো, এখানে ইকুয়াল আছে, 7টাকে এই সাইডে এনে 0 করে দেবো, এটাকে এই সাইডে এনে 0 করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে a2 কত আমার k প্লাস 1, b2 কত 2k মাইনাস 1, 4k প্লাস 1। For infinitely many solutions we have a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. So for now, taking the first two, 2 by k plus 1 equals to 3 by 2k minus 1. Let's solve this. 4k minus 2, 3k plus 3. So k's value is 5. Just as easy as that. Next question কি হচ্ছে, the value of k for which the system of linear equation is inconsistent. কি দিয়েছে আমার, inconsistent। তাহলে প্রথমে লিখে নেব, given equations x plus 2y equals to 3, 5x plus ky plus 7 equals to 0. Then a1 1, b1 2, c1 minus 3. Okay, then a2 5, b2 k, c2 7. For inconsistent solution, that means no solution. That means two lines are parallel. When the two lines are parallel, there is no intersecting points between the lines, so there is no solution, that is inconsistent. So for that reason, the condition is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Just take the first two and put the value 2 by k, then value of k is 10, and done. Easy peasy. Next question কি দিয়েছে, if 3x plus 4y ratio x plus 2y equals to 9:4, find this value. So first ratio we can write by this divide sign, then cross product, cross multiplication, that is 12x 16y, 9x 18y, 3x equals to 2y. Now 3x plus 5y is 2, 3x minus y. Put the value of 3x in here, 2y plus 5y, 2y minus y, 7y is to y. Cancel out, the ratio is 7:1. Next question, a fraction becomes 4 when 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, and it becomes 7 when 1 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator. Find the fraction. Let the fraction be x by y, where x is numerator, y is denominator. Now for first case, 1 is added to both numerator and denominator, fraction is 4. Here we get 4y plus 1. And for second case, 1 is subtracted from both, the fraction is, the value is 7y minus 1. Now just simplify it. The value becomes minus 3 equals to 0, and this is equal to 0. Here we get the one equation and two equation. One minus 2. Cancel out. 3y minus 3. 3y minus 9. Here is the sign, plus become minus. So minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. Then y becomes 3 plus minus 9 goes to this side, becomes 9, and 3 divided by 3 becomes y value is 3. Put the y value in equation 1. Put y equals to 3 in equation 1. We get x minus 12 minus 3 equals to 0, and value of x is 15. So the fraction is 15 by 3. Now let's check with the question. 15 plus 1, 3 plus 1, the fraction becomes 4. 16 by 4, 4. And 15 minus 1 and 3 minus 1, 14 by 2, 7. So our answer is correct. Next question কি বলছে, assertion বলে দিয়েছে the value of q equals to plus minus 2 if x equals to 3, y equals to 1 is the solution of 2x plus y minus q square minus equals to 0. Reason কি বলছে, the solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. তো ফার্স্টে কি বলেছে, x equals to 3, y equals to 1, 2x plus y minus q square minus 3 equals to 0. Put the value of x and y. 6 plus 1 minus q square plus n equals to 0. 6 plus 1 7 minus 3 4. Q square equals to 4. And the value of q is always plus minus 2. Okay. Now the reason, the solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. Obviously, when you put the value of x, y and q, it always satisfies this equation. So the reasons is correct, assertion is correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Next question কি বলেছে, দুটো ইকুয়েশন দিয়ে দিয়েছে, have infinitely many solution, find m and n. তাহলে a1 y4 b1 4 c1 minus 12, a2 m plus n, b2 2 into m minus n, c2 minus of 5 m minus 1. So for infinitely many solution, we have the conditions a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. First take this two, 3 by m plus n equals to 4 by 2 into m minus n. 3m minus 3n, 2m plus 2n. So m equals to 5n. M equals to 5n. And now take the last two. 4 by 2m minus n equals to minus 12 minus of 5m minus 1 minus minus cancel out, 2 cancel out, 2 into 5m minus 1, 12 into m minus n. M equals to 5n, then 5n equals to 25n minus 1. Let's put the value of m here. 50n minus 2, 60n, 48n. So now the value of 2n equals to 2 and the value of n is 1. Now m is 5. Next question, x plus 2y equals to 3, 3x plus 6y equals to 10, kx plus 2y equals to 3 and 3x plus 6y equals to 10. Find the value of k for which it has a unique solution. So for unique solution, the condition is a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. So just put the value k by 3 not equals to 2 by 6. Then cancel out 1 by 3. Then cancel out this, then k not equals to 1. K's value is not equals to 1. Other than 1, every value of k give a unique solution. Next question, solve for x and y. 27x plus 31y equals to 85 and 31x plus 27y. Here you can see that the value of a1, a2 and b1, b2 are opposite to each other. This type of question has a trick. First, add the both equation. We get 58. Take 58 as common, 174. Then x plus y value is 174 by 58, that is 3. Now here is the third equation. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now equation 3 into 27 minus equation 1. In every type of this question where is the a1, a2 and b1, b2, the value are opposite to each other, just do this method. Add both the equation and find the value of x plus y. Then you can easily eliminate. Now the question is 27x plus 27y equals to 81. 27x plus 31y equals to 85. Minus it cancel out, minus it 4y minus 4. So y value is 1. So y equals to 2, y equals to 4, y equals to 1 in equation 3. Now we get x equals to 3 minus 1, the value is 2. Next question is most important. X by a plus y by b equals to a plus b, and x by a square plus y by b square equals to 2, and a and b not equals to 0. Find the value of x and y. Just LCM bx plus ay, then bx plus ay equals to a square b plus b square a. Write this as equation 1. Now b multiplying equation 1, we get b square x plus aby plus equals to a square b square plus a b cube, and a multiplying equation 1. Why I am doing it, you know that after. A square y a cube b plus a square b square. Okay, give this equation 2, this equation 3, and now at last take this equation. X by a square y by b square equals to 2. Just LCM a square b square x plus x square y equals to 2. Then b square x a square y equals to 2 a square b square. Okay, here is the equation is 4. Now here is b square x a square y, b square x square y. Now we can get that why I am doing that. So for now, let 2 minus 3, we get b square x minus a square y plus aby minus abx equals to a square b square cancel out, ab cube minus a cube b. Here b square x minus a square y equals to, take ab as common, a square minus b square, and take ab as common, now take 2 minus 4. So b square x plus aby a square b square ab cube, then b square x plus a square y 2 a square b square, minus it, then aby, take y as common, ab minus a square, then here we get that minus a square b square plus of ab cube, then y equals to ab minus a square, then take ab square as common, take b square as common, take b square as common, we get that ab minus b square, ab square cancel out, we get the value of y equals to b square. Now put the value of y in an equation. B square plus x a square b square 2 a square b square, then b square cancel out. The next value is a square. So the value is x equals to a square, y equals to b square. Next question is, a man can row a boat in downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water. Also find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of boat be x kilometer per hour and the speed of stream be y kilometer per hour. So what is the downstream speed? Distance by time, that is 10 kilometer per hour. And what is the upstream speed? Distance by time, that is 2 kilometer per hour. So for the downstream, the speed of the boat and the stream are added, so we get our first equation. And for our upstream, the speed of the boat is subtracted by the speed of the stream. So here we get that our second equation. Just eliminate, use the elimination method. That is 2y equals to 8, then y equals to 4, and put the value of y equals to 4 in equation 1. We get the value of x equals to 6. So y equals to 4 km per hour and x equals to 6 km per hour. So next question is, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed. Some part of hostel charges is fixed. Okay, some part is fixed, you have to pay every month. Let the fixed charge be rupees x. Okay, and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in mess. Remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in mess and the cost of food per day. Cost of food per day be rupees y. So first case, here you see that x plus Swami takes for 20 days, so 20y. This is for 1 day's rupees, 1 day cost of for 20 days 20y, that is total equals to 3000. And now second, Manu takes for 25 days, x plus 25y equals to 3500. Just minus it, minus 5y equals to minus 500, minus minus cancel out, y equals to 100. Then x plus 2000 equals to 3000, the value of x be 1000. Just put the value of y in equation 1 in the first equation, you get the value of x. Carefully read the question first. Here clearly stated that the part of monthly hostel charge is fixed. Suppose we have to pay a hostel charge of 100. If we take food or not food, that this is the fixed charge. And adding on that, what is the adding on that? The food per day, that is y, and this is x. Okay. So the question is, the ratio of the income of two teachers is 11:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 9:5. If each of them manages to save rupees 400 per month, find their monthly income. Income of two teachers, that is monthly. Okay. So we know that incomes minus expenditure equals to savings. So now let the incomes be 11x and 7x and the expenditure be 9y and 5y. So for the first case, 11x minus 9y equals to 400. In the second case, 7x minus 5y equals to 400. Okay, both are equal to 400. If a equals to b and b equals to and c equals to b, then a equals to c. So from that we can conclude that 11x minus 9y equals to 7x minus 5y. So 4x equals to 4y. So x equals to y. So x equals to y. You can take this equation, 11x minus 9x equals to 400. So 2x equals to 400 and x equals to 200. Here x equals to y, so y is also 200. So now their incomes be 11 into 200 and 7 into 200. Now you will answer in the comment section what is the value of 11 into 200 and 7 into 200. It is very easy for you. So for the question, the student of a class are made to stand in rows. If one student is extra in a row, there could be two row less, and if one student is less in a row, there would be 3 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Let the students be x and number of rows by. So the student bx and the number of rows by. So what is x by y? Total student divided by number of rows, that is number of students in one row. So in first case, if one student is extra in a row, one student is extra in a row. If one student is extra in a row, there would be 2 row less. So one student, here is a student and another row. Student into row equals to total number of students. Okay, number of students is one row into the number of rows, that is equals to number of students. Just simplify it. X equals to x plus x equals to x minus 2x by y plus y minus 2. So x cancel out. So y minus 2x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. And for the second, x equals to the number of students in one row. One student is less, in one row, that is minus 1, and 3 more rows. 3 more rows. It's very simple. X 3x minus y minus 3. So x cancel out. 3x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. Here we get our equation. So just casually 2 minus 1, we get that 3x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. Just minus it, plus minus cancel out, plus. So here you get 5x by y equals to minus 5. So x by y equals to minus 1. So the number of students in one row is minus 1. Oh, here I created a blunder. This is plus, then this is minus. So these two of these are minus. Just correct it, okay? Just now the 1 plus 2. Forget the previous one. Just 1 plus 2 now. X plus y equals to 5. So x equals to 5y. Put the value of x equals to 5y. Here we get this 15y by y minus y. 3 equals to 0. Y cancel out. So y value is 12. So the x value is 60. So number of student is 60 and number of rows be 12. So x by y equals to 5.
$2,000 years later.
আচ্ছা, এবার সবার শেষে তোমার যদি মনে হয় আমার এই ভিডিওগুলি যদি তোমার ভালো লাগে, তাহলে তোমরা যদি কেউ ক্লাস করতে যাও, কারণ অনেকেরই এখন সামনেই পরীক্ষা, বোর্ডের পরীক্ষা, আগে 2 থেকে 3 মাস আছে, তারা যদি খুব ভালোভাবে প্রিপারেশান যে কংক্রিট জিনিস করলে নাম্বারটা আরও বাড়বে, ভালো হবে, ফুল নাম্বার আসবে। যদি অনলাইনে ক্লাস করতে চাও তাদের জন্য আমার এটা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার 7278503340। তোমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পিং করো, আমি অবশ্যই তোমার সঙ্গে কথা বলে নেবো অনলাইন ক্লাসের জন্য। এরমভাবেই বোর্ডের মাধ্যমে তোমাকে ক্লাস করানো হবে। আচ্ছা, এবারে ক্লাস 10-এর স্টুডেন্ট বা 12-এর স্টুডেন্ট ছাড়াও যদি অন্য কেউ ক্লাস করতে চাও, আমি 5 to 12 ম্যাথ আর 5 to 10 সায়েন্সের ক্লাস করাই। সিবিএসসি বোর্ড, আইসিএসসি বোর্ড এবং ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল বোর্ড, 3টে বোর্ডে যে কোনো স্টুডেন্টই আমার সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করতে পারো। থ্যাংক ইউ। আর ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তো লাইক করো, শেয়ার করো, আর চ্যানেলটাকে পারলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও। তোমরা যত সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে, লাইক করবে, তত আমার আরও ডেলি ক্লাস নিতে বা ক্লাস প্রোভাইড করতে আরও আমার উৎসাহটা বাড়বে।